the energy problems of Eskom, was there in any way a form of deliberate incapacitation of energy provision for the benefit of either private businesses, working in cahoots with politicians who just put Eskom in those problems in order to make some form of money?
We uncovered two things. That is the manipulation of tenders to a huge scale. You know, from the supply of coal to the supply of diesel to the supply of spare parts for generators and for boilers and whatever the case may be, and conveyor belts and what, to toilet paper. You know, so huge racket. Now, who's behind this racket? We uncovered a couple of syndicates that are working with Eskom employees to manipulate and to cook the books and to generate money. There were politicians involved. Their names were mentioned in our report. The one passed away. I don't want to mention names now.